Really. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tammy and thank you so much for joining me. So in today's video, I'm going to be using a few products that I have recently purchased, such as an eyeshadow palette, some beautiful lashes, and a couple other things. So if you would like to see what I have in store for today, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Alrighty, so to begin, the backstory with this mini Orgy palette. So the collection launched back in August of 2020 and I purchased it, of course. And shortly after, I received an email stating that something had gone wrong with quite a few of the palette's productions, like the formula with it. So I have not used it, I have not swatched it, nothing like that. So this is the Orgy palette that I received. And I mean, it looks beautiful. But again, they said something was going on with the formula production. So they sent out a new Orgy palette and I had to mark it so I didn't confuse the two. So I received this palette 2 days ago and today is the 17th of February. So it took a while, but you know, I guess it was just a mass production of them. Beautiful also, so we are going to see if there's a difference. And Manny MUA, a YouTuber, he recently came out with some faux mink lashes from his brand, Lunar Beauty. They are beautiful. This one is Aries, and the packaging is just divine. And this is Lunar. I'm excited to try those out. To start off, I'm just gonna grab a brush and I'm gonna use this little Wet n Wild 5-pan palette and I'm just gonna go into this shade here. I'm gonna try out some swatches first to see if there's any difference. And then we can apply them to the eye and see how it works out. I'm just gonna put them on my forearm here. So I'll start with the old and then the new. I have from the old palette, Glass Wet and the new. And then we have Champagne Drip, old, new, and Gagging, old and new. I don't see much of a difference. So next here from the old and new, so we have Soaking Sun, Frozen Fire. This one didn't come out very well from either palette. And Bathhouse. We have Explicit, Foam Party, and Eiffel Tower. And honestly, I'm not that impressed with any of them. It's strange. Like they feel hard to the touch and they just, I don't think they pay off very well. So this here, Frozen Fire, it looks gorgeous in the pan. So I'm just gonna take my finger, have nothing on it, and I'm gonna rub it and it's pressed very hard and it looks really pretty when you have it on your finger. So let's see how it looks on the eye. Pretty, and there's like a gold shift to it. I'm gonna take a little brush and let's try Gagging. I mean, it's okay, but honestly, I kind of expected a little more. Let's try the Champagne Drip. That's pretty. I'm just gonna do two different looks. I'm gonna use Bathhouse. This one feels really, really soft. That's pretty. I'm gonna take Glass Wet. Oh, that has a lot of fallout. And lastly, let's do Foam Party. Not impressed. So I think for the sake of a similar eye look, I'm gonna keep this shade Frozen Fire rather than bathhouse. Frozen fire on the lids, gagging in the inner corner, and champagne drip on the brow bone. All right, so what I'm really excited for are these beautiful lashes. And again, these are in Aries. These are some big lashes. Manny is not fucking around. These lashes are huge, but they honestly feel so soft and so nice. And they're not heavy. This is a statement. Damn, girl. I mean, for me, these are definitely not an everyday lash, and this is gonna be a special occasion for sure. They are wonderful, they're luscious, they're gorgeous, they're huge. I like them. I think I'm ready for that red lip now. Let's do it. I'm gonna use the Maybelline New York Color Sensational Shaping Lip Liner in Brick Red. Very soft. Too Faced Melted Matte in Lady Balls. Perfect. I actually wore this red lip, this color, for New Year's. And it looked really beautiful. Red lip, bold lashes. What do you guys think? What a journey, huh? Well, I think that's all for today's video. So I love this. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.